back to my channel. Today is a Walt Disney Wednesday and we are working on the 50 Mickey ears that you've never seen before on my channel. Today we are talking about the duct tape ears. Alright, I know you guys love duct tape. I think you guys love duct tape, but who doesn't love duct tape? And it's a no-sew option. So I am so excited about this one. Plus, I love this duct tape. I still have a little bit left of this roll and I've made it into a wallet before. It's so cute. It's like the vintage princesses. I'm not sure if they sell it anymore, but there's so many other types of duct tape out there, fun duct tapes that you can use. I just paired them with a regular no-sew bow. So let's get going, and I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. If you guys want to see more Mickey ears, check out the 50 Mickey ear idea so you guys can see all the other stuff that I have coming for you if you need more ideas for Mickey ears. Let's get going. Alright guys, so to start, I'm going to use duct tape and foam, and that's pretty much all I need to make duct tape ears. So I've got this really cute vintagey Disney princess duct tape that when you lay it out, it actually kind of fits together like a puzzle. So what I'm going to do is cover my foam, and if you want to know how to cut these ears or get the printable template, it's on my blog, so check that out. It's auntietay.com, or the link is down below. So I'm just going to cover the entire piece of foam with duct tape with one strip, and then the next strip I'm going to find the part of the duct tape that matches the other part. So actually I'm going to start over on the other side because I wanted to make sure I've got all the princesses on there, and I already had Snow White and Cinderella kind of showing up, so I wanted to make sure Belle got onto the other ear. So I'm going to use the extra of that, and then since the pattern is repeating, I'm just going to kind of overlap the duct tape where the pattern starts. So since this wasn't working on the ear, I kind of repositioned it in the middle, and then I'm going to go in and reposition all of this on wherever it fits the best. So I noticed that the bell was kind of coming out on this side, and I could do that in the center of this ear. So I'm just going to work the pieces of duct tape all over the ears until the entire thing is covered. And this is my favorite way to cut duct tape, is just to kind of snip and tear it. You can also kind of just look at the duct tape and figure out what size you need to make it to get a good pattern going, and this is actually a good technique for you to use if you want to turn this into a patterned sheet. I'm not going to use the foam for this round. I'm just going to clip and tear about 5 inches of the duct tape and lay it out on my table, but I'm going to make sure that I'm using a table that I don't mind getting anything stuck to, and I'm just going to cut a few different strips out, and then I will put it all together when I'm all done getting a few different strips out of the duct tape roll and create that pattern that I want. Because sometimes it's hard to find the pattern and where they line up without having to overlap the duct tape completely. So I noticed that on the center one, these kind of lined up perfectly so that I did not have to overlap the duct tape very much, and then I could kind of work my way over, and I only need about 2 strips to cover the entire ear. So that's another way to do it if you don't want to just start fresh on the ear. And then obviously I will trim these with something like pearls or something like that, because the foam will stick out once we cut the duct tape off the edges. So once the entire ear is covered, we are just going to cut the duct tape around the foam, and I kind of like to bend it around just a little bit because it'll give you a nice ridge to work with when you do actually cut it off. So you can see that I used fabric on the back of this one. That way I could just do the duct tape on one side to show you guys, and then if I want to, I can do duct tape on the back or fabric or any other of our types of ears that we've got going on. So I'm just gonna cut, and I noticed that kind of cutting 1 inch at a time with duct tape and then pulling the scissors off completely kind of keeps away from ruining your scissors, because duct tape is really hard on your scissors and will get them very sticky. I also use cheap scissors when I'm doing any craft with duct tape because I don't like to ruin any of my really good scissors. So I'm just gonna cut around the entire piece of foam, and then that will be finished. So then you just trim it with some hot glue and whatever you want on the outside and connect it to a headband or a hat or anything like that, and then